In today's video, you'll learn how to add DMARC to your Klaviyo account. Setting up DMARC is an important step if you want your marketing emails to reach inboxes instead of being flagged as spam. It helps email providers verify that messages sent from your domain are legitimate and trusted. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a menu where you can access account settings. From there, click Settings, then go to Account and select Domains. This section is where you manage the domains used for sending emails. Inside the Domains page, click Connect Domain. Now enter the domain name you use for sending emails, then continue to the next step. At this point, Klaviyo will generate several important DNS records that you need to configure. These typically include SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. Each of these plays a role in authenticating your emails so receiving mail servers can trust them. Keep this page open or copy the record values because you'll need them in the next step. Now open your domain provider's dashboard. If your domain is managed through GoDaddy, sign into your account and navigate to your domain section. From there, open the DNS settings for the domain you're using. Inside the DNS manager, look for the option to add a new DNS record. For the DMARC setup, you'll create a TXT record. In the name or host field, enter the DMARC identifier for your domain. Then, in the value or content field, paste the DMARC policy provided by Klaviyo. This policy tells receiving email servers how to handle messages that fail authentication checks. You can leave the TTL value at the default setting or set it to about 1 hour. Once you've added the record, save the DNS changes. Now go back to Klaviyo and click the Verify button in the Domain Setup section. Klaviyo will check whether the DNS records were added correctly. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't always apply instantly. Sometimes it can take a while for the new records to fully update across the internet. If verification doesn't work immediately, simply wait a bit and try again. Once everything is verified, your domain will be authenticated and your emails will have stronger protection against spam filtering. And that's how you add DMARC to Klaviyo to improve email security and deliverability. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.